Today we're going to show you how to open a Powerschool export using Excel. Go ahead and right-click on the exported file. Scroll down to Open With, and you'll see Excel isn't even on the list, so we're going to hit Choose Another App. This window will pop up, and on here you're going to click More Apps, scroll down a little, and hit Look for another app on this PC. You're then going to click this PC on the left, choose Windows, Program Files x86, Microsoft Office, Office 16, scroll down a little bit, and there's Excel. Once you've selected it, you can either double-click it or just hit Open on the bottom right of this window. Again, that path is this PC, Windows, Program Files x86, Microsoft Office, Office 16. Excel now appears in the list. Make sure you check Always use this app to open .txt files, and then hit OK. That will now open up your Powerschool exports in Excel. I can't actually show you the file since it has protected student information, but I can drag over here's the title bar of that Excel file just kind of as proof. So there you can see it is indeed open in Excel. And just to be sure, we'll reopen it one more time, and you can see, yes, that file is opening in Excel.